Hi guys, this video is a tour of the Royal Hawaiian Hotel, also known as the Pink Palace of the Pacific. It is one of the iconic and historic hotels located in Waikiki. It is also a luxury collection resort of Marriott, and it is adjacent to its sister hotel, Sheraton Waikiki. The Royal Hawaiian Hotel has two buildings. The historic building consists of the 6-story, 400-room structure in the Spanish Moorish style, and it was opened in 1927. The new building was built in 2015. It consists of 17-story called Mailani Tower, and it was opened to attract and meet the expectation of the modern travelers. As a modern traveler, I prefer Mailani Tower over the historic building as well. So let's take a look at what our room looks like. The view is great, but I wish we could have a more higher floor. Next, let's tour around the hotel environment. The resort was leased to the US Navy and was used by the American submariners during World War II, and it was reopened to the public in 1947.